In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add glow to text in Photopea. Start by opening your browser and going to Photopea. On the home screen, click New Project. This opens a setup window where you can choose your canvas. Feel free to pick a preset size or enter custom dimensions if you're designing for something specific. A darker background can really help a glow stand out, but any background will work. Once you've set your width, height, and other preferences, click Create to open your blank canvas. Next, select the Type tool from the toolbar on the left, or press the T key. Click once on the canvas to place your text cursor, then type your text. You can use the options at the top to adjust the font, weight, size, alignment, and color. Don't worry about getting it perfect right now. You can always tweak these later. If the text is tiny, increase the font size, and if it's too wide or tight, adjust the tracking to space the letters nicely. Now let's add the glow. In the Layers panel, find your text layer, then right-click it and choose Blending Options. A layer style window will appear. On the left side, check the box for Outer Glow to enable it, then click the words Outer Glow to reveal all the controls. Here's where the magic happens. Click the color swatch to pick a glow color. Bright hues like cyan, magenta, or yellow tend to pop. Set the blend mode to screen or normal, depending on how you want it to interact with the background. Increase the opacity to make the glow more visible. Use size to control how far the glow spreads outward. Higher values give you a softer, wider halo. Spread adds density at the edge of the glow, making it more solid. If you see technique, softer is usually the best starting point. You can also experiment with contour for stylized edges, but for a clean neon look, a simple contour works well. As you adjust, keep your eye on the canvas so you can dial in the exact intensity and softness you like. When you're happy with the result, click OK to apply the effect. You can always reopen blending options later to fine-tune the glow, and you can still edit the text content, font, and size without losing the effect. That's it, your glowing text is ready. With just a few adjustments, you can go from subtle ambiance to bold neon, all inside Photopea.